Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? It's English period and today we are going to solve the exercise of unit number 8. The name of the unit is the wise villagers. Our first question is, did the villagers have any enemies? The answer of this question is the villagers were happy and wealthy. They had no enemies and lived peacefully. They troubled no one and no one troubled them. Next question is, where was the new road going to be built? The answer of this question is the new road would go through some of the village's best fields would be destroyed. What were the men doing with the rope and the cup? The villagers were taking water out of the river with a rope and a cup. What were the villagers doing with pen knives? The villagers were cutting down trees with pen knives. What were the villagers doing with the ants? The villagers were carrying the ants one by one in a basket out of the village. What answer did the villagers always give to the townsfolk about their methods? The villagers said that their methods were slow but that they always worked. Do you think the villagers were clever or stupid? Give reasons for your answer. The villagers were clever. They gave the impression they were mad by doing things in a strange way, and this led the townsfolk to believe that a road going to past this village would not be such a good idea. Some of the following sentences are true and some are false. Copy the true sentences into your notebook. Can you rewrite the false sentences as true sentences? अब हमने क्या करना है कि इसमें कुछ सेंटेंसेस जो हैं वो रॉन्ग हैं और कुछ जो हैं वो राइट हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्टोरी, तो उनको हमने फाइंड आउट करना है। सबसे पहले देखें, द मैन वर कटिंग द ट्री विद पेन नाइफ। तो यहाँ पे जैसे कि हम देख भी सकते हैं, तो ये क्या है, ट्रू है कि वो पेन नाइफ से ही ट्री को काट रहे थे। द ट्री वाज 2 मीटर्स टॉल। अब हमें यहाँ पे मीटर्स का नहीं बताया गया, तो ये क्या है, फॉल्स है। By the side of the anthill was a long line of men. No, there was line of women. तो ये क्या है, false है। The chief clerk said the villagers were dangerous. बिल्कुल ठीक बात है, उसी ने कहा था। The district officer didn't want to change the plan. False है, वो चेंज करना चाहता था। The villagers were mad. नहीं जी, वो पागल नहीं थे। Answer the question about these lines from the story. The villagers were very angry. They sat in the meeting for a long time, but at last they thought up a plan. सबसे पहले, why were the villagers angry? The answer of this question is they were angry because a road was going to be built through some of their best fields close to the village. Next question, what did they talk about at the meeting? They talked about what they were going to do to stop the road from being built. What was their plan? Their plan was to act as if they were all crazy, and they then did some strange things, taking out water from the river with a cup, cutting trees with penknives, and carrying away ants one at a time. Did their plan work? Yes, it did. Next question है, find words in the story which have the same meaning as the following. जैसे यहाँ पे सबसे पहले है mad, इसका क्या होगा? CRAZY, crazy. Built, CONSTRUCT, construct. Townsman, folk, FOLK. Peaceful, undisturbed. Talk about, DISCUSS, discuss. Road, route, ROUTE, route. Declared, announced, ANNOUNCED, announced. Next है, use these words and phrases in sentences of your own. In peace, danger, far away from, method, moist, odd behavior. तो इसको आप सिंपल सेंटेंसेस में जो है वो कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है पास्ट पार्टिसिपल्स. इसमें हमारे पास ये कुछ एग्जांपल्स दी हुई हैं और यहाँ पे हमारे पास क्वेश्चन है कि फिल इन द सिंपल पास्ट एंड पास्ट participles of the following words in the list given below. The first word had been done for you. Walking, walked, walked. Spending, SPENT, 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 spent. Next है writing, WROTE, wrote, WRITTEN, written. Jumping, JUMPED, 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 jumped. Eating, ate, EATEN, eaten. Speaking, SPOKE, spoke, SPOKEN, spoken. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारे पास कि एड suitable past participles to the following sentences. सबसे पहले हमारे पास है this book was dash by me. read, this book was read, स्पेल वही रहेंगे, read by me. This tea was dash by my mother, make, made. All the cakes were dash by the children, eat, eaten. This building was dash by my father, build, built. When the branch was dash, the apples fell down, shake, shaken. This picture was dash by my uncle, paint, painted. The book were dash to the school by Maha, give, given. नेक्स्ट देखें, वर्क विद द क्लासमेट. अपने क्लास के बच्चों के साथ ये करने वाला काम है, ख़ुद से सोच के करने वाला है. मैं आपको बता देती हूँ क्या है कि स्टडी द टू इलस्ट्रेशंस. यहाँ पे हमें ये टू मॉडल्स जो हैं वो घर के नज़र आ रहे हैं. द फर्स्ट इलस्ट्रेशन शोज़ हाउ मिस्टर एंड मिसेस यूसुफ हैड प्लान टू बिल्ड देयर न्यू हाउस. ठीक है, कि फ़र्स्ट में वो हमें बता रहे हैं कि जो मिस्टर यूसुफ हैं और मिसेस यूसुफ हैं, उन्होंने क्या प्लान किया है कि वो अपना घर किस तरह से बनाएंगे। द बिल्डर हैड अनदर आइडिया। बिल्डर होता है बनाने वाला, मिस्त्री जिसको हम कहते हैं, उसके पास एक और आइडिया है। द सेकेंड इलस्ट्रेशन शोज़ व्हाट ही बिल्ड। जो दूसरी इलस्ट्रेशन है वो हमें ये बता रही है कि वो किस तरह से उसको बिल्ड करना चाहता है। मेक स्टेटमेंट्स अबाउट द टू इलस्ट्रेशन, यूज़ शुड हैव और शुड नॉट हैव इन ऑल द स्टेटमेंट्स यू मेक। मतलब ये कि आपने सिंपल सेंटेंसेस बनाने हैं। जैसे यहाँ पे आपको कुछ मैप में चेंज नज़र आ रहा है। इसकी बिल्डिंग जो है वो और तरह से है, इसकी और तरह से है। यहाँ पे गेट सेंटर में है, यहाँ पे एक साइड पे है, यहाँ पे फाउंटेन नज़र आ रहा है, यहाँ पे वो मिसिंग है। ठीक है, तो इसी तरह से आपने क्या करना है कि जो सेंटेंसेस बनाने हैं उसमें शुड हैव और शुड नॉट हैव कि क्या होना चाहिए था और क्या नहीं होना चाहिए था यूज़ करना है। यहाँ पे कुछ हमें वर्ल्ड बैंक दिया हुआ भी है इस बारे में। ठीक है, तो आज तक की वीडियो इतनी ही है। कल तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।